In today's competitive environment, unplanned downtime is something that manufacturers simply cannot afford. However, without the right tools, monitoring machines for small performance changes can be quite difficult, especially machines in remote locations. That's where Banner's wireless vibration monitoring comes in. Designed as a check engine light, Banner's vibration and temperature sensors work with multiple Banner wireless nodes to provide early detection of equipment failure before they become severe. Once a temperature or vibration threshold has been exceeded, the Q45VT provides local indication and the signal can be sent to a TL70 tower light in a central location, or an email or text alert can be sent to notify a supervisor. The vibration and temperature data can also be sent to a DXM100 wireless controller or a PLC for collection and analysis. Predictive maintenance made easy with Banner's wireless vibration sensor solutions. For more information, please visit bannerengineering.com.